Hi, my name is Quincy Weber. Obrender is actually my married name. I haven't legally changed it yet, but this is my LinkedIn profile page. I have a professional picture of me. I am currently a digital marketing intern at Timpanogos Media, which is why I've linked that there, and that is my handle. I live in Provo, hoping to get future jobs in Provo, and I am about to graduate from LDSBC, which is why that is there as well. This is my about page. It says graduating December 2019 from LDSBC in digital marketing. Skills include data analytics, content creation, Facebook ad manager, Excel certified, and running marketing campaigns via social media. And then I have my resume right here in a PDF form, so that if anyone wants to view my resume, they can just click here and go through some of my information as well as my experience. And yeah, so we're going to go back to this page. So I have an article that I have published about how to create a YouTube business profile. It's something that I created while I was in my internship, and I was really proud of it. So I posted it here. The experience that I have had with digital marketing internship, I've created content. I've been managing my manager's social media account, creating content for him through a content calendar. I've been using Hootsuite a lot to be able to send posts every day without having to double check on it, which has been really cool. And just like creating information, I've been really able to organize his computer as well as his office, and that's been really neat for me. Before that, I was at Chick-fil-A. I was a member of their team. This was fun for me because I'd never really worked in the food industry before, and it taught me a lot of patience and a lot of customer service, which I didn't expect I would need. I expected them to be really nice people, and sometimes they expected us to be a lot nicer than we wanted to be. The previous job before that, right after my mission, was at Freshly Picked. It was this baby moccasin company, and I was part of their production line. We would quality control the shoes and then ship them out to different clients and customers. I've listed my education, where I've worked, with different clients. I've learned how to use HTML coding. I've become Excel certified. Just all these different things that I've really enjoyed, and I really am proud of, things that I've learned. Some skills that I've learned throughout my career as well as my education was customer service, and I've been endorsed by a few coworkers. Leadership is something that I feel like I'm really good at. I'm really able to stand up when needed, but also I know my place. So if there is a manager above me, I'm not going to step up if they're already saying something, just making sure that everything's going smoothly. I have a really high tendency to stand up for the rules. I'm a rule follower. I am very obedient when it comes to things, and I feel like that's why a little 7-year-old would be called bossy, and as a 22-year-old, I'm called a leader. It's interesting how that works, but that is something that I feel like I'm really skilled at. I know Microsoft Office. I'm really good at planning and organization. It really helps me when I'm stressed to organize things and to set schedules, and so I'm really good at that. Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel. Other things that I've had to learn is order processing, self-starting, detail-oriented, and assertive. And assertive goes kind of along with leadership, when I'm willing to stand up if I need to share something. Accomplishments, I'm Google Analytics certified, which took me a while to get, and I'm really proud of that, as well as Excel certified. Both took a little bit of time, and I had to take a lot of quizzes, but I'm really proud of being able to be Excel certified. I'm interested in marketing and communication, Chick-fil-A, and LDS Business College. So these are some things about me. And if you ever need me, my contact information is on here, but you can also private message me. Thanks.